functions: wire cutting, double end stripping, double end termination, single end twisted wire tinning. High-definition touchscreen, Chinese and English operating system, easy to operate, can be retrofitted with visual inspection and pressure detection. Mute terminal machine, compatible with a variety of OTP modes, versatile, stabilization of heating terminals. With tin oven, can achieve the end of one end, the end of the tin dip effect. The whole machine is controlled by 9 sets of raised servo motors with high precision, long life and stable operation. Wire diameter range 2 to 6.5 mm. Capacity 400 to 1,200 pieces per hour, depending on the wire.